friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 10 problem of this month, that is lead code problem number 959, regions cut by slashes. Okay, so in this problem we have given an n into n grid. Okay, and it is composed of 1 into 1 squares, where each 1 into 1 square consists of forward slash, backward slash or blank space. Okay, these characters divide the square into contiguous regions. We have given the grid represented as a string array, and we have to return the number of regions. Okay, note that backslash characters are escaped, so a backslash is represented as two backslashes. Okay, so now let's understand the examples. Okay, so this is my example number 1. So here see my grid dot length. Okay, the number of rows in my grid. Okay, so here see how many number of rows are there. 1 and 2. Okay, 2 rows is equal to my the length of the columns. Okay, so I can represent it like this. Okay, so here let's suppose this is my grid. Okay, here first is space, and then we have this forward slash. Okay, here we have forward slash, and then we have space. Okay, so this is nothing but my 0th row, first row, 0th column, first column. Okay, so this is like that, right? So here see, if I just represent it in a square, okay, n into n square. Okay, so length is 2, right, in this example. So 2 into 2 square, if I represent it, so first in this cell there is space, so I am not doing anything. In the next cell there is one forward slash, so that is why I am adding this forward slash. And here again we have one forward slash, that is why I am doing that. Okay, here, and then we have space, so we are not doing anything in this cell. Okay, so now we have divided this square in two parts, two regions. Okay, this is one region and this is second region. Okay, that is why my output is 2. Same way here, a number of rows is equal to number of columns, so 2, right? 2 into 2, we have formed this square. First space, then forward slash, space, then forward slash, then space, space. Okay, so now this is only a single region, right? If I just add water here, the water will be added in a complete square, right? So only one region is there, so that is why my output is 1 here. Okay, so now let's understand this with example number 3. Okay, so this is my example number 3, right? So here see how many number of rows are there. 1 row, 2 row. Okay, 2 rows are there. Okay, and column length is also like this. Okay, so this is forward slash, this is backslash, forward slash, backslash, backslash, and then forward slash. Okay, number of regions 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So now let's see how we are going to write the code for this problem. Okay, so since the number of rows and number of columns is 2, right, so I am going to represent this grid like this. Okay, so one forward slash, okay, one backslash and one forward slash. Okay, so 0 1 0 1. Okay, and this is nothing but my 2 into 2, right? So first thing in the code, I am going to just calculate the length of this grid. Okay, then I am going to magnify it. Okay, magnify it into the size of 3 into n. Okay, so this cell, okay, this is cell 1. So here I am just going to represent it like this, 3 size of 3. Okay, so this is nothing but my this cell. Okay, then this is this cell. Okay, I'm just going to magnify it. Okay, and then this is this cell. Okay, and then this is this cell. Okay, and I am going to by default all the values are set to 0, right, in this 2D array. Okay, this is done. Then I am running one loop. Okay, I am going to iterate over all these slashes one by one. Okay, so here running two loops. Okay, I loop and j loop. Then base row is equal to I into 3 and base column is equal to j into 3. Okay, my first starting from here, then it is starting from here only, right? Okay, first is starting from here, then this one is starting from here. Okay, so that is why we have to write like this. And now inside this I am going to check if grid of I character at j. Okay, so first we need to check what is this value. Okay, so this is forward slash. Okay, so if the value is in forward slash, then what we need to do? Okay, see this cell, then we need to update all these values to 1. Okay, this is forward slash, right? So we have to update all these values in 1. Okay, so here if you see the code for this one, forward slash. So right now my I is 0, right? I is 0, so base row and base column both are in 0 0. Okay, 0 into 3, 0 into 3, 0. Okay, so here I am what I am updating here, see this part, magnify of 0 2 to 1. Okay, base column base row 0 are right, so 0 2 magnify 0 2, we are updating 0 2 to 1, 1 1 to 1, and we are updating 2 0 to 1. Okay, so 2 0 to 1. Okay, so this is what we are doing. Okay, same way if it is backslash, then we have to operate like this. Okay, so you will see the code for backslash. Okay, so in my backslash my j is going to be 1. Okay, so this is base column is going to be 1 to 3, so 3 indexes here, so from here I am going to start. Okay, so this is how we need to fill the values first. Okay, so once we fill the values like this, okay, 1 1 1 here, 1 1 1 here, 1 1 1 here, and 1 1 1 here. Okay, so once we do this, then after that we have to count the number of regions. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, I'm going to iterate over all the cells one by one. First this cell, then this cell, then this cell, then this cell, this cell. Okay, I'm going to visit all the cells one by one, and inside this I am going to check if the value is 0. Okay, so now if the value is 0, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark all the zeros which are connected to it. Okay, this 0, this 0 and this 0 all are connected, right, with each other. So I'm going to mark all these as 1. Okay, all these as 1. Okay, so I am just filling all these values as 1. Okay, initially region count is 0, now I have incremented 1, then I reach at this cell. Okay, so here I found 0, so I'm going to mark it as all as 1 1 1. Okay, then my region count will be updated to 2. Okay, then this cell I have already visited. Okay, this cell is already updated to 1, then I reach at this cell. Okay, then I'm going to mark all these as 1, all the zeros which are connected, then my region count will become 3. Okay, this 0 I have already visited. Okay, so here I'm 1 writing 1. Okay, 1 1 1, everything is 1 here. Now as soon as I reach here, I need see that this value is 0, I have to mark all as 1 1 1, then my region count will be updated to 4. Okay, then here when I reach, then again I will find that 0 is there, so I again need to mark all as 1 1, and my region count will be updated to 5. Okay, so here how I'm doing this flood fill, so let's see. So this is my flood fill method. So here I'm just passing this magnify 2D array that we have created, then starting indexes, right, I and j and n. So here these are some boundary conditions. Okay, and I am just setting that particular cell value to 1, and then I am exploring all the 4 directions. Okay, up, down, left and right. Okay, one by one, and I am filling all the values with 1. Okay, so now let's run the code. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep going and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.